hear that?
What did you hear, Randy?
I hear something behind us.
Yeah,
Where we came from.
behind you, Zoe.
Our whole purpose out here was to hike in the dark and work at eliciting an interaction with something other than wolves and coyotes. This sound will be argued about by many.
That was intense.
You guys have heard coyotes as well, I mean.
I've heard them all my life.
Yeah.
And that call?
You know what that was? That was an imitation call.
You think it was something imitating a coyote?
Yeah.